Take those cups off. Can you get the yellow one? What is that? That's the red one. Yep, that's the red one. Can you get the yellow one? Wow, that's pretty fascinating. There's the red one. Can you get the yellow one? There's the yellow one. Yay! Can you get the black one? There's the black one. Yay! Can you get the green one? Get the green one. Yay! Good job, Leo. Good job. You like the green one. Is that holes in the bottom? Can you get the blue one? Can you get the blue one? Oh, and the white one. Yay! The blue one's still inside the white one, huh? Oh, it fell out. Whoa! Ah! Is that the one you wanted? What do you think, Mr. Leo? Yay! Good job.